Good evening, friends. How's your preparation going on? Fine. How many of you have attended my previous workshop, Geometry Part 1? Right? Yes or no? Okay. I think that all of you have gone through the basics of geometry, friends. Basic theorems, I think all of you are aware. Like what is centroid, what is incenter, what is angle bisector theorem. All of you have done? Those who have not attended my previous geometry workshop, they can see that workshop on YouTube, because all the workshop which we are conducting here is on the YouTube within 2-3 days. So just go through that workshop. In that workshop we have done a lot of things regarding similarity, regarding triplets, lot of things. Okay friends, now let's start with the session. Now see first question, and I have taken all these questions from, most of the questions are from CAT bulletins. Just changes the value. Simple questions are there, but again, if you will apply logic, then you can do it orally. This is a CAT question, but again figures are changed, friends. Just think, in the last class we have done about triplets. We have written some common triplets, friends, Pythagorean triplets. If you can recall, you can use those triplets. Otherwise, if you do this question by taking x third side, it will be very lengthy, friends. Nobody is coming with the answer, friends. Just apply triplets. Don't take third side as x, and don't apply Heron's formula, otherwise it will be very lengthy. Yugal, from a vertex you can draw altitude, and you can think which side I can take as a hypotenuse or a base. This is from CAT 2001. Friends, just go through CAT bulletins. In every workshop I always repeat, just go through CAT bulletins, and believe me, you can find a lot of questions from the old bulletins, last 10 to 20 years. No problem, Rahul, you can go through video. It is available on YouTube, Geometry Workshop, by name, Geometry Workshop. Yeah, I'll try to explain little bit. Just think about triplet. Vandana, you can enroll on Hitbullseye. You can open a guest account. There you can find CAT 99, 2000, 2001, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And just try to do all those questions from CAT bulletins. And believe me, you can find 30-40% question from those bulletins. Only data and language is changed. Should I tell you, friends? I am getting Shivam root 1196. That means none of these is the answer. Shobha is the answer, option 2. Let's see. Rajiv, answer is third option. Okay. Akshay, third option. Friends, first of all, now should I solve? Tell me. Okay, third option is the 4-5 students are coming with the option 3. Okay, now see, first of all, you should know about triplets. In right angle triangle, triplets are, see, A, B, C. All of you are aware, AB square plus BC square is equal to hypotenuse square. This is hypotenuse, base and height. Now, in the last class I have told you, number in the ratio 3, ratio 4, ratio 5, always Pythagorean for those who are not attended. 5, 12, 13, 6, 8, 10, or you can say 7, 24, 25, 8, 15, 17, 9, 40, 41, 10, 24, 26. Can you see relation? It is double of this 5, 12, 13, 10, then 12, 35, 37, 20, 21, 29, 28, 45, 53. These are the common triplet which you should know. And you can see all these triplets in the case of ratio also. Like now in this question, longest side is given 60. I can take this side as a 60, friends. Now I am solving. Can I make 26 as a hypotenuse? This is 60 and this is third side. Now what is the area given? Area is given 300. Half into base into height is the area. Draw from this vertex a perpendicular. Now base is 60, half into 60 into height is the area which is given 300. So from here you can find height, which is 10. Now height is 10. This is 26. You can find in triangle ABCD. What is BD? It will be 24. If you know the triplet, 24 square plus 10 square is equal to 26 square. This is Pythagorean triplet. 10, 24, 26. I have already written here. This is the case, friends. 10, 24, 26. Clear? Otherwise you can apply 26 square minus 10 square equal to BD square. And now this is 24. This side will be 60 minus 24, 36. So this will be 36 square plus 10 square. AD square plus DC square is equal to AC square, which will be equal to 1296 plus 100, which will be equal to, friends, 1396. So root 1396 will be the answer. Option 3. Is it clear to everyone? So from vertex draw perpendicular, and then you can see you can make a triplet. 26, 10, 26, 24, and other side will be 36. Otherwise, if you take third side as a x, it will be very lengthy. Heron's formula in term of x, and then you have to solve. So this is a CAT question, and on this property you can find a lot of question in CAT bulletin. So please just go through CAT bulletin, friends. Now move to next question. Again from CAT, figures are changed. I have changed the figures. If you will see this question in CAT, figures are different. I have taken a different figures. Now if you know the triplet, you can do it orally without writing. Ladder leans against a vertical wall. Just understood the question, and after that think logically. Vandana has come with the answer second option 45. Let's see Vandana. Most students should come with the answer. Nitin 45, length of the ladder. Sabi has come with the answer 53. Nimesh, you can go through Bullseye on Bullseye website. On under test section you can find CAT bulletins. CAT 99 real CAT papers. Rahul has come with the answer fourth option. Nitika second option 45. Those who are giving second option, just read the question carefully. Tanmay 53. I have written a triplet, friends. 51. Okay. Answer should be none of this. No Diksha, not 36. Okay, just see, friends. A ladder here leans against vertical wall. The top of the ladder is 28 meter above the ground. Now this is ladder. The top is 28 meter. This is 28 meter. If the ladder is moved 8 meter farther away. Now if I will take this as x, and if ladder moves 8 meter farther, like if this is 8, that means this ladder just touches to the against the foot of the wall. So can I say that this is ladder is equal to x plus 8? Those who have given answer as a 45, the value of x will be 45 if you will solve it. I have written a triplet 28, 45, 53. If you are aware, then you can do the question orally. 28, 45, 53. This is for this x will come 45 if you will apply theorem. What will be the theorem? Pythagoras theorem. 28 square plus x square is equal to this ladder, x plus 8 whole square, and if you will solve this, then x will be 45. And what is asking? Length of the ladder. 45 plus 8, 53 should be the answer. Those students who have given fourth option, none of these is the answer. 53, not 45, because this x will be 45. If ladder is moved this 8 meter from here, then this will touch the base of the foot of the wall. So simple application of 28, 45, 53. In CAT, bulletin, if you will see, you will find it as a 8, 15, 17. Triplet they have used is 8, 15, 17. Yeah, Sakshi, forget to it. Why is Shobhana x plus 8? Because you can take this y, because this is ladder which is leaning against a wall. If this ladder slips away 8 meter from here, that means this will be length of the ladder. You can say OB with the length of the ladder. So this OB is equal to this hypotenuse, Shobhana, because when the bottom of the ladder is moved 8 meter further away from the wall. So again, these two questions are from the CAT bulletin. Triplets we are using. So right angle triangle is very important. Now just go to next question. Again from CAT bulletin, language is changed. Instead of walking along two adjacent side of a rectangular field, no need to make equation, see choices, apply logic. So you should do this question without writing. Rahul, second option. Rahul, have you already done this question, Rahul? Because in CAT bulletin The answer is 3:4. For this question, the answer is 3:4 in CAT bulletin. But here I have changed the data. Rajiv has come with the answer 3, Kshitij answer 3, Nitin 2:3. Boy adjacent side walking along a rectangular field. Diagonal is hypotenuse for right angle triangle. Base square plus length square plus breadth square equal to hypotenuse square. So friends, see language and saved. What is the distance saved? Equal to 1/3 the longer side. Ratio of the shorter side to the longer side. Okay, Rahul, answer is third option. Sakshi, third option. Very easy, you can do it orally, friends. 5, 12, 13. If you know the triplet 5, 12, 13, I have already written triplet. Don't take XY, otherwise if you will take XY, Z, then you have to make equations. Simply what is asking, friends, see, I am solving here. This is rectangle. If this is longer side, X, this is shorter side, Y. Longer, he is written walking along towards the side of rectangular field. Instead of walking along X and Y, a boy took a shortcut along the diagonal. Now boy is walking along the diagonal from here to here. He saved a distance equal to 1/3 the longer side. Ratio of the shorter side to the longer side. If I'll take 3, 4, suppose this is 3, this is 4, then this should be 5. Like initially student has given 3, 4. Now 3 plus 4 is 7, and he is by this way he is moving 5. He is saving 2, but this is not 1/3 of the longer side. So that means this is not possible. This is not possible. 5, 12. If I'll take this as a 5, this as a 12, so that should be equal to 13. Right angle triangle 5, 12, 13 triplet. So instead of walking along 5 and 12, that means in this case he will cover 5 plus 12, friends, 17, and he is covering 13 by moving diagonal. That means he is saving how much? 4 meter, and which is equal to 1/3 of the longer side. What is 1/3 of 12? It is 4. So answer should be 5, 12, 13. Is it clear to everyone? Instead of walking along a adjacent sides 12, 5, 17, he is walking through diagonal. That is 5, 12, 13. Again we are using triplet. In CAT it was by moving, he has saved the distance equal to half the longer side. When half the longer side, that means answer should be 3, 4. Answer should be 3, 4, half the longer side. 3, 4, 5. He is saving 2, half of 4 is 2. So 3, 4, 5. But here I have changed the question 1/3. If you put 8, 15, it is not possible. Okay, now move to next question. Again, these 3 questions are based on triplets. So you can find a lot of questions in CAT bulletin on triplet also. Again from CAT. Square tin sheet of side 12 inches. Read it carefully, apply logic again. Don't do maximum minima, don't do derivatives. Simply put the values from the options. Option 2. Rajiv has come with option 2. Latika option 4. Rahul option 2. Vishal 4. This is ditto CAT question, not change the data. Kshitij 2, 2. Those who are writing it 2, 2 option, it is option 2 or it is answer 2, fourth option. Those who are writing 2, those who are writing 4, that is you are writing option, friends. Option 4, option 4, option 2. Okay, I think that most of students have given with the answer, come with the answer. Now let's see how we can solve. What is the given square sheet? 12. So this 12 is given, and here it is written we have cut the square. Suppose I have cut x from here, square sheet, this is x, this is x from all the sides. So this is 12. So can I say length will become 12 minus 2x. Again it will become, breadth will become 12 minus 2x, 12 minus 2x, and this will become, height will become, friends, x, because it will be open box. If you will cut x from each side, square sheet, then when you will fold, it will be open box, in which the length will be 12 minus 2x. You can see length will be 12 minus 2x, breadth will be 12 minus 2x and height will be x, and height will be, friends, x. So can you find the volume by putting? No, Shivam, not 3 inches. Now you can see choices are given. Choices are given 1. Choices are given, friends. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. So when x is 1, you can see when x is 2, x is 3, and x is 4. You can put x here. 12 minus 2x. 12 minus 2 into. So 12 minus 2 into 1 is 12. 12 minus 2 into 1 is 12 into 1. It will be 10 into 10 into 1. If x is 1, then answer will be maximum. It will be 100. If x is 2, 12 minus 2 into 2 is, instead of x you will put 2. 12 minus 2 into 2 into 2. It will be 8 into 8 into 4, which will be, friends, 128. Shobana, why height is x? When you will fold, because you have cut x from here, if you fold if you make the box, open box, the portion which you have cut will become the height of the box. Just take when you are free, just take a sheet and then cut some portion from all the sides and make a open box, cuboidal. Then you will see height will be the x, Shobana. When x will be 3, it will be 12 minus 2 into 3. 12 minus 2 into 3 into 3. It will be 6 into 6 into 3, which will be 108. And when x will be 4, 12 minus 2 into 4, it will be 4 into 4 into 4. Same will be there. That is 64. Now, friends, you can check at x equal to 2, the volume will be maximum. There is no need of writing. For your convenience, what I am doing, I am writing here so that you can understand. Those who are not getting the answer. Simply, you have to put values. Values where? In this formula. Because volume of the box will be length into breadth into height is the volume. And length will become 12 minus 2x, breadth will become 12 minus 2x, and height will become x. I think that it is clear to everyone. Clear, friends? So at 2, the volume will be maximum. Most of the students have come with the option here. Option 4 is the answer. Now move to next question. Again cat question, friends. Now see how many of you can recall the basic theorem which we have done. Right angle triangle. Then you can do it orally without writing. Semicircle is drawn with AB as its diameter. From C, a point on AB. Just draw a diagram, and if you can apply symmetry also, you can do the question orally. Rajiv have come with the answer 50 pi. Okay, second option. Sakshi, second option. Kushagar has also come with the second option. Rahul, second. Okay, 50 pi. Good, good, good. All of you come with the second option. For this question, it is more than sufficient time. Again, friends, if you can recall, for those who have not attended, I am again writing. In the last class we have done, because it's a very wide application. ABC, you can recall, if here it is a right angle, I have taken 6, 8, 10 right angle. This is not related to this question, but I am telling you because indirectly it can be helpful. From there, I have told you, when you find right angle, just draw a perpendicular. And this perpendicular, like if AD is a perpendicular, this will divide the base in the ratio of their respective sides. 6 square ratio 8 square. So it will be BD will be 6 square by 10 and DC will be 8 square by 10 with similarity. So this will be 3.6, this will be 6.4. Or we have written a formula. If you can recall, AB square is equal to BD. This was the formula. AB square is equal to BD into BC. AC square is equal to CD into BC. Those who have not attended, they can write. And third thing, AD square is equal to BD into DC. In this question, the application of this formula is there. Only this is applicable when right angle is there. From that right angle, draw a perpendicular. Then base will be divided into in the ratio of their square of respective sides. Ratio of the square of the respective sides. 6 square ratio 8 square. Now come to this question. AC is given to semicircle. This is semicircle. This is DCAB. From here perpendicular is drawn. Now friends, we can see angle made in semicircle. If I will made an angle here, it will be, friend, this will be 90 degree. angle in the semicircle because AB is the diameter. So this is given 2, this is given, CD is given 6, you can see CD is given 6, AC is 2, and now can I say DC square, and if I take CB as a X, DC square is equal to AC into CB. The formula which we have written here, AD square is equal to BD into DC. Where it is perpendicular, draw a 90 degree. So what is DC square? 6 square is equal to AC. What is AC? 2 into CB X. So CB will be 36 by 2 will be equal to X. So it will be 18. Now you know the diameter is 20. Diameter is 20, and you can find the area because radius will be 20 by 2. It will be 10 half into pi r square into 10 square. So it will be 50 pi. So 50 pi is the answer. And again, suppose you are not aware about the formula. If you know the logic, I think that most of you are aware. In circle, can we say if these are two chords A, O, B, C, O, D, AO into OB should be equal to CO into OD? CO into OD. Can I say if I'll make this as a whole circle, now I'm making here, I will make this as a whole circle, this is 6, so this will be again 6, 6 into 6 symmetrically, 6 into 6 equal to 2 into X. This will be 6, if we make full circle, this is semicircle, this is semicircle, if we make full circle here friends, you can see next portion will be 6 also. Got it? Otherwise you can apply the application theorem. Okay, should I move forward? Friends, no. Next question is again from CAT bulletins. Data is changed. Two sides of plot measure 36 meter and 48 meter. In CAT, the questions are not so tough in geometry. Some logic is there. Basic theorem you should know how we can apply. 36, 48, 50. Two sides of plot measure 36, 48. Angle between them is 90 degree. Kshitij has come with the third option 2064. Rahul fourth option. None of these. Kushag 4, Yugal 3. Third, fourth. Fight is between third and fourth. 1764. Fourth, third. Again you can see triplet 3, 4, 5. 36, 48. Hypotenuse will be 60. Hypotenuse will be 60. Yeah, got up 2064. Third option. Okay. Now let's see. This is right angle triangle, friends. If I will draw, this will be hypotenuse. It will be 60 because 36, 48, 60. Again, it will be 3:4:5. Number in the ratio 3, 4, 5. Otherwise, you have to do 36 square plus 48 square equal to, you have to do 60 square. But again, it is in the ratio 3, 4, 5. So if this is 60 for this triangle, this is isosceles triangle 50-50. And the property is that from the vertex of isosceles triangle, if you draw a perpendicular, it will divide the base into two equal parts. So this will be 30. This portion will be 30 if I will take OD. 30, 30. And this is 30, so this will be 40. Again triplet 3, 4, 5. 30, 40, 50. 3:4:5. 50 square minus 30 square equal to 40 square. Now you know base is 60. Half into base into height is 40. You can find the area of this triangle OBE. Area of triangle OBE will be 1200. Now area of this triangle BCE, it is a right angle triangle friends. BCE, half into 36 into 48. Area of triangle BCE. Area, it will be 18 into 8, 144, 18 for 72 plus 14, 86. So 864 is the area of this triangle, 1200 is the area of this triangle. So if you add, it will be 1200 plus 864, it will be 2064. So again the application of same triplet 3, 4, 5. All this triangle will be similar, BCE, BOD, ODE. If the triangle is similar, sides are the same proportion, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. For triangle BOE, isosceles triangle formula will be more time consuming. If you will apply the formula of isosceles triangle, it will be more consuming. Your Heron's formula will be time consuming. Again you can apply triplet 3, 4, 5. You should know if two sides are equal from the vertex. If you draw perpendicular, it will divide the base into two equal parts, friends. Clear, Mridul? Now, next question is again CAT 2008. Very good question. Just read it and tell me the answer. Acute angle triangle with sides 8, 15 and x. In last class we have done a easy question. All perimeter is given. Now just do that. Then this is very important question. On this property, friends, you can find a lot of questions. Latika has come with the option 4. Latika, I think that you have done this question in CAT bulletin. Vandana has come with the answer 1. Kushagra 3, Rajiv 5, second option 3, Utkarsh 1. Vandana, have you done this question previously? Vikas has come with the third option. Okay. Latika, have you done this question earlier? Latika. So, I think that you have remembered the answer. The answer is 10. Or have you solved it right now? Those who are giving option 4, I think that Latika solved it. But have you read Latika and those who are giving option 4? I have changed the language here. Acute angle triangle. Kshitij has come with the answer second. Acute. In the CAT bulletin it was obtuse angle. Aru has come with the 9. In the CAT bulletin, friends, it was obtuse angle triangle. But I have written it here. Acute angle. So for that question the answer was 10. Happy has come with the first option. Okay, friends. Now I think that most have given the answer. Now see what is the right answer. In this property, friends, in last class, if you can recall, we have done the question. Perimeter triangle is 18. How many different triangles are possible? 18. Sum of any two sides of triangle should be greater than third side. I think that most of students, they are aware about the property. Now if I ask you, if two sides are given 8 and 15, how many triangles can be possible? 8, 15, and what can the largest side? 8 plus 15 is 23, but sum of two sides should be greater than third side. So it can be 22. So from 8 to 22, 8, 15, 21, and 8, 15, difference is 7, 7 plus 1, 8. So from 8 to 22, we can, if question is, one question can be there in CAT bulletin also. Two sides are given 8 and 15. How many triangles can be possible with the integer length? So answer should be 15. Because from 8 to 22, how many triangles are there? 15 triangles are there total. In this 15 triangles, friends, some will be acute, some will be obtuse, and one angle will be right angle triangle. 8, 15, 17, if you can recall, right angle triangle, 90 degree. And what are acute angle? Below 90 degree. And what are obtuse? Above 90 degree. So total 15 triangles are there. And now in CAT exam it was obtuse. Here I have written acute. Now friends, those who are not aware, they should learn three properties. For right angle, if we can recall, for right angle, if this is A, this is B, this is C. So what is the property? A square plus B square is equal to C square. A square plus B square equal to C square. This is for right angle. For obtuse, greater than 90. This is for obtuse. If this is A, this is B, this is C, A square plus B square should be less than C square. And for acute, it is, if this is A, this is B, this is C. For acute, this is A square plus B square should be greater than C square. This is for acute. A square plus B square should be greater than C square. These are the three properties you should know. And now in this question we have to apply this. 8 and 15 is given. So how we can apply? I can take, now I am solving here, friends. If I take 8, 15, x, 8 square plus 15 square is greater than x square. So it is 64 plus 225 should be greater than x square, which is 289 should be greater than x square. So 17 is greater than x. Now from this, here we are getting 17 is greater than x, or you can say x is less than 17. So x is less than 17, how many values are there? Those who have given 9 as the option. they have taken 16, 15, 14, 13 till 8. But again we have to check other condition, that third sign can, I have taken 8, this you can take 15, this is x. So from here 8 square plus x square should be greater than 15 square. So x square should be greater than 15 square, 225 minus 64. X square should be greater than, friends, it will be 161. X will be greater than, suppose it is 12.8. So x is greater than 12.8 and here x is less than 17. So from 12.8 to integer value, what are the integer value? It can be 13, 14, 15, 16. These are the four values, these are the four triangles, because x is greater than 12.8 and x is less than 17. So these 13, 14, 15, 16, these are the four values which are satisfying the condition of acute angle triangle. Is it clear to everyone? So in CAT bulletin the answer was 10, because the question was, you can see, obtuse. Here it was written obtuse. Obtuse 10 angle will be, triangle will be there. 1 will be right angle and 4 will be acute. So total 15 triangles will be there from 22 to 8. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Very important question. You can find 2-3 type of questions on this property. Perimeter, how many triangles are possible, acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle. So very good question from CAT bulletin. I think that these 3 properties are clear to everyone. These 3: obtuse, acute and right angle triangle. So answer for this question is first option, 4 acute right angle triangle. 10 is for obtuse. If you now, those who have not solved it with the obtuse, try to solve it at your own by applying this condition: a square plus b square should be less than c square. Now next question, move to next question, friends. Again very good question, friends. It is a real question from you can say old exam, auxiliary exam. Following figure, equilateral triangle ABC has an area of 900√3 meter. Point P and Q are the midpoint of the side AB and AC respectively. Area of the dotted region. I think that you are aware about the property of equilateral triangle, centroid, median. Nicholas, you can find this video on YouTube after 2-3 days. Those who have joined late, they can see this video on YouTube. So option 3, 2-3 students. Okay students, those who have given the option 3 as an answer, if in the question it is not given, equilateral triangle is not given. Suppose if I am asking, in the following figure the triangle ABC, equilateral is not given. Can you find the answer? If equilateral is not given, can we find the answer? In the triangle, following figure, triangle ABC is an area of 900√3. Now without equilateral, if we want to find, okay, how we can find, Rahul, Rajiv, without equilateral? Sahil, using symmetry, very good, okay. Median divided in half, very good, very good. Property of, if you know the property of median by cutting the diagram, yes, median. Those who are aware of the property of median, they can do this question orally. Otherwise, it will take a lot of time. Those who have not come with the answer, should I solve, friends? Should I tell you how we can do with symmetry, or will you take more time? Okay. Friends, see, first of all, you should know 2-3 things about median. You can go to video also. There is a video on centroid and in center on geometry, orthocenter, centroid, in center, circumcenter. These are the 4 important areas where you can find a lot of questions. Application of this, what is orthocenter, what is in center. So now here I am talking about median. First of all, you should know, friends, if ABC is a triangle, those who are not aware, if I will draw a median, if AD is a median, median will divide the base into 2 equal parts, BD and DC will be equal, and divide the triangle into 2 equal areas. Area of triangle ABD is equal to area of triangle ACD. One thing should be clear, whenever you find midpoint, then always you can see that is a median. Like in this case, P is the midpoint. Point P and Q are the midpoint. P is the midpoint. So that means CP will be the median for this AB. So this will be equal, BP will be equal to AP. And now second thing, point of, what is centroid? point of intersection of median. If this is second median, if this is third median, that means this is the centroid, and centroid says centroid divide the median in 2:1. Like if this is O, this vertex portion will be 2, this will be 1. This vertex portion will be 2, base 1. This is 2, this is 1. 2:1. Centroid divide median in 2:1. The application of this principle, basic principle is here. Now I am solving here, friends. Straight away I am solving. See, the area of this triangle is, now come to this. The area of this triangle is 900 root 3. 900 root 3 is the area of whole triangle. This CP is the median. Can I say, if I delete this portion, because this median CP will divide the triangle into 2 equal parts. So what is the area left? It is 1/2 of 900 root 3, because the total area of triangle ABC is 900 root 3. Is it clear to everyone, those who have not solved? Because CP is the median, median divide the triangle into 2 equal parts. So I have deleted this part. Now we can say, in the question it is given Q are the midpoint of side AB. Now if Q is the midpoint, can I say PQ will be the median for this triangle APC? Again this PQ will divide this triangle area, remaining area, into 2 equal parts. I will delete this part. Again I will do it half. With ratio proportion I am doing. Is it clear? Now I am left with this triangle BQC, PQC. Now this PC is a median, Utkarsh, Utkarsh, for initially CP is the median. So median divide, I have already told you, median divide the triangle into 2 equal parts. So I have deleted this part. Area will be 900 root 3 half. So this area is over. Now this Q is the midpoint, so AC, for AC PQ will be median. Again half. See this triangle Utkarsh, APC. For APC triangle, if Q is the midpoint of AC, can I say PQ is the median? And again median will divide this triangle into 2 equal parts. So this will be equal to this part. Now we are left with PQC, and we know the property. What is the property? Median divide. This will be 2, this portion, and this will be 1. I will go to this diagram. This will be 2, this will be 1. This will be 2, this will be 1. So if this is 2, height of this triangle will be same. Height for this triangle will be same. Can I say, and my main focus is on this area. Can I say this will be 1/3? Because this area will be, friend, 1/3. This area. Because we are left with this portion. This, and this. And height for this triangle will be same. So this area will be 2/3. So shaded area will be 1/3. So answer will be 900, 3 to 6 to 12. It will be cut. 75 root 3 will be the area of the triangle. Median 2:1. From vertex it is 2. Yeah, Mridul, I am trying to repeat. See, this is median. Now I am explaining this. This is median CP. So this area, it will divide the area of triangle into 2 equal parts. 900 root 3 into half. Again Q is the midpoint on AB. So PQ will be the median. So this triangle APQ and triangle PQC have the same area. This area and this area. So I will again delete this area, friend. So again this will be half of this remaining. We are left with this portion. This will be 2, this will be 1. Height will be same. So this area will be 2/3. This area will be 1/3. Half base into height. Manat, then we can do it by the equilateral triangle. We can find side, we can find height. Other approach is there also. With full method we have to do. But again for that you have to know the property of median 2:1. It will be a lengthy process. So if you know the property of median, you can do a lot of questions. Whenever in question you see median, what should come in mind? Area 2 equal parts. 2 median intersect 2:1. See base, see height, and then apply formula. Always. What is in center you should know. What is ortho center? How we can apply this. What is circumcenter? These 4 things are there. Lot of applications. I think that this is clear to everyone. Okay friends, now come to next question. In a triangle ABC, two medians AM of length 13 and BN of length 12 centimeter intersect at point G. Again apply the property of median. Median divide the triangle into two equal parts. Rahul, third option. Simply like in the last class, we have already discussed. If you are not aware about the question, you can see figures in the question also. If you are not aware, we have discussed a lot about prime numbers. Now he is asking about the area. He is asking about the area of triangle, and in this area, which will play major role, these two sides are given, 12 and 13. Friends, 12 and 13. And you can see answers are in whole number. Yeah, Gaurav, prime number I've already discussed in last class. And if you want to take chance, suppose if in exam you are not getting the question, but choices are in whole number and you have to take a chance, then you should give weightage to prime numbers, multiple of prime numbers. So only single multiple of prime number is there, which is 104, and 2-3 students have come with the answer. 4 students 104. Your 100 is not divisible by 13, 106 not 13. Utkarsh option 3, Raji option 3. You should solve, but again if you want to take chance, you can take a chance on 104 because 104 is a multiple of 13. Now should I solve? Okay friends, tell me, should I solve the question? Now see friends, here I am solving. You can do it orally. See, in triangle ABC, this is triangle ABC, AM of length 13 centimeter. This is AM 13 and BN of 12 centimeter. Intersect a point G. They intersect G. So that AGB is formed as a right angle triangle. Here it is a right angle triangle with AB as hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. Then find the area of triangle ABC. Now friends, simply we can see this is given, AM is given. What is AM? 13 and BN is 12. Now we know that these are medians because AM of 13, ABC 2 medians. These are 2 medians friends. These are 2 medians. So BG will be 2, GN will be 1, 2:1. So what is the length of BN? BN is equal to given 12. So can I say BG will be 12 into 2 by 3. It will be 8. So BG will be 8. AM is 13. Half into base into height is the area. So area of triangle ABM. This is the area of triangle friend ABM, which is 52. And we know AM is the median. So median divide the triangle into 2 equal parts. So this area is 52. So this area will be again 52. So you can get the answer as 104. Gaurav, why so 2:1? Because median, centroid or the median in 2:1. Last question we have done. Gaurav, if this is median C, last question we have already discussed. ABC is a median. If this is the median, it divides the base into 2 equal parts. If this is the median, divide the 2 equal parts. So this portion is known as centroid, point of intersection 2:1. From vertex it is 2, it is 1. Point of intersection. Okay Gaurav? So simple properties there. The area of this triangle is come to be 52. So that means, and median divide the triangle into 2 equal parts. So other part will also be 52. So answer will be 104. Okay friends, multiple. But how area 52 Navjeet? Because this is base is 50, base is 12, half base. AM is 12. Navjeet, AM is given. AM is given 13. AM is 13. And this height is given 8. I find this height from here. I will solve here. Those who are not getting. This is given friend. AM is given 13. AM. This is given 13. And this is given 12. BN. BN is given 12. So this is 90 degree. For this triangle ABM, area will be half into, for this triangle AM will be the base, height will be BG, and BG will be 8 because this is median and this divide the 2:1. 12 into 2 by 3, this will be 8. So into BG, so half into AM will be 13 into BG will be 8. So it will be Mridul BM 8 because not BM, BG Mridul BG is 8, BM is not 8, AM is 13, half into base. For this base, BG will be height because this is 90 degree. So half into base into height will be the area. Property of, just go through property of median, friends. Centroid, median, then you can know. Now move to next question. Question of similarity. AM not divided in 2:1. AM is a base. It will be, Gaurav, AM is a base. You can see. AM also 2:1. Yes. AG will be 2 and GM will be 3. From there you can also solve, Gaurav. 2/3 of 13 and 1/3 of 13. And then you have to take Bn as a base. Again answer will be same. Gaurav, try. Kushagra Rahul 1:3. Option 2 1:2. Again friends, very basic property of similar triangle. I think that your basics are not clear. When the two triangles are similar, answer is first option 1:2, 1:2, 1:3. Kshitij has come with the fourth option. From basic property of similar triangle, when two triangles are similar, then ratio of their area is equal to square of their corresponding sides, height, side square, height square, in radius square, circumradius square, everything will be in the term of square if the two triangles are similar, area. So very basic question. Again you are doing it wrong, most of the students. Now they are coming with students fourth option. Just please revise your basics of similar triangle, similarity, similar triangle, when two triangles are similar. In the last class I have already drawn a diagram, like you can recall. If you can see triangle like this, parallel side, if this line is parallel, triangle are similar, like already we have done 90 degree. From here draw, these are similar triangles. If you can see triangle like this, 90 degree similar triangle. So triangle ADE, in this triangle ADE and triangle ABC are similar because D is parallel to BC is given. If this is not given, then you can't say triangle is similar. Now after that, when triangle is similar, what you have to do? Area of AD is half that of trapezium DECB. Can we say, if I'll take this area as 1 unit, put values friend, 1 unit, then area of this triangle trapezium will be 2 unit, because area of triangle AD is half that of trapezium DECB. So now area of triangle, apply area of triangle ADE over area of triangle ABC. When two triangles are similar, then area is equal to, now we have to find AE and EC. It will be equal to AE square over AC square, their corresponding side. AE for this triangle AD it is AE square, for triangle ABC it is AC square, is equal to DE square over BC square equal to AD square over DB square equal to height H1 square H2 square. It will be square of everything, in radius square, circumradius square. So area is given 1 ADE, I have taken 1 unit. Triangle ABC it will be 3 unit, is equal to AE square over AC square. So AE by AC will be equal to 1:3. 1:3. Now question is ratio of AE to EC. Now we know this AE is 1, this AE is 1 and this AC is √3. So can I say EC will be √3 minus 1. √3 minus 1. So what is area ratio of AE to EC will be 1:√3 minus 1. So it will be your fourth option, 1:√3 minus 1. This will be 1, this will be √3. So this EC will be √3 minus 1. So basic property of similar triangle. If two triangles are similar, area will be equal to, area of those two triangles will be equal to square of their corresponding sides. Base, height, everything will be square. In radius will be square, circumradius will be square, height will be square, everything will be in the term of square. Now, next question. Again real cat question. My length of A is 1 when it is in the ratio with AC. I am not getting Mayank what you are saying. A is 1, so AC will be √3. Mayank, A is 1, so AC will be √3. AE by AC AE square by AC square 1 by 3. So AC will be root 3. This full length will be root 3. So EC will be root 3 minus 1. Mayank. Vandana, how root 3? Because area of triangle AD is 1. Area of triangle ABC is 3. So AE square by AC square. So AE by AC will be 1 by root 3. Vandana. AE by AC will be 1 ratio root 3. Just revise your basics. You are not good at your basic, friends. Some students. See 11th question. These type of questions you can find always in CAT exam. Very common question. In last 10-12 years you can find 5-6 times these type of questions. Seems to be very tricky, but questions are very easy. Again, property of similar triangle. Same ratios we have to see. Same ratios, friend. Our main focus is we have to find BP ratio, QC. Yeah, Rahul, those who are aware about the property of similar triangle, they can straightway write. Yeah, for us, option 3. We have to see lines are parallel. ES is parallel to AC. So, straightway write on the diagram itself. No need of writing triangle BSP similar to triangle ABC, and then BP ratio PC should be equal to BS ratio SA. Straightway write the values, and then you can find your main focus should be on QC. We have to find QC. Yeah, Nitik has come with option 3. Now, should I tell you, friends? 6-7 students have come with the answer option 3. Option 3 is the right answer. Those who are trying, should I tell you? Okay. Now, friends, you can see here in this triangle, BP ratio PC is given 4:5. BP ratio PC. So, this is given 4 BP and PC is given 5. What he is asking examiner? We have to find BP by QC. Our main focus is on QC. BP is given already 4. We have to find QC. Again, you can see when SP is parallel to AC, this is parallel to AC. Now we have to see this triangle BSP and triangle ABC are similar. So when triangle is similar, sides are in same proportion. This is 4, this is 5. So this will be 4, this will be 5. BP by PC should be equal to BS by SA. No need to write, straightway we have written 4, 5. Again, it is given SR is parallel to PC, or you can say AB. Again, this triangle ASR and triangle ABC are similar. So this is 5, this will be 5, this will be 4, friends. This is 5, this is 4. Now, this is again in this triangle, these AP is a perpendicular, RQ is a perpendicular, these two triangle RQC and APC again similar. So again this will be 4, 4:5, this will be 5. But again we have to take here variable because the side PC is total 5. So we will take 4x and 5x. So what is QC? Here will be 4x over 9x because we have to divide this QC in 4:5. 4x by 9x into 5. Where 5? From this PC. So that means it will be QC will be 20 by 9. Now we are aware what is BP? 4. What is QC? 20 by 9. So what will be ratio, friends? 4 into 9 by 20. It will be 4 by 5. So answer should be third option. Answer should be here third option, 9:5. Straight away write values in lot of questions. What to do after finding AC, Gaurav? AC, when you find Gaurav AC, then you can come to this. We have to find AC. Now can we see, Gaurav, APC, triangle APC and triangle RQC are similar? When this is similar, this is 5, this is 4. Again 4:5. CR to RA should be equal to QC to QP. This will be 4, this will be 5. 4x and 5x we have taken because this is side is 5. And after that we have divided, Gaurav. Again detailed explanation is given at the end. You can see if you want to see full explanation. Those who want to read, just go through. But there's no need to write all these things in an exam. Straightway you can write it on the diagram itself, on a triangle itself. Clear? Now next question. Again apply symmetry. Think logically. Triangle ABC and PQR are equilateral. Side equal to 6. Apply symmetry, friends. Height between two parallel sides is always same. MO is parallel to AR. and area of triangle is half base into height. No need to solve full. Simply you can apply symmetry. Rahul has come with the second option, 4:5. Kushagra 3:5. Navjeet. Okay, Kushagra has changed the option 2. Navjeet option 1. Shubham second option. Akshay first option. Faraz second option. Option 3. Option 2. 4:5. Okay. Mannat first option. Okay, now friends, see how we can do. Is it clear to everyone that this AP will be 4, PV will be 2 and BR will be 4? Any doubt about this? Because sides are AB 6, PR is 6 and total it is given AR is equal to 10. So intersection will be 2. No need to solve this. Now friends, if this MO is parallel to AR, MO is parallel to AR, that means MN is parallel to AP, and we know friends parallelogram, draw a diagonal divide the parallelogram to two equal part, draw a diagonal, and we know height between any two side, like two parallel line. If two parallel lines are there, if we draw any diagram, any triangle, height is always same for all the triangles. Now we have to find MNPA to NPRO. Now basis to height for each triangle will be same. Here this is 4, MN will be 4, NO will be 4, because opposite sides are equal of parallelogram. Now if I'll take this area as x unit of triangle, this NPB, so the base of this triangle OBR is double, height is same, so this area will be 2x. Again same area will be 2x. The area will be 2x, area will be 2x. Is it clear to everyone? Because if the base is double, what is the formula? Half into base into height is the formula for the triangle, area of triangle. Half is common, height is common. If the base is double for this triangle, the base is 2. I have taken area x. Himanshu, how 2x? Because if in this triangle base is double of this. If the base is 2, here the base is 4, the area will be double. If I have taken this area as x, so this will be 2x. Because area will be half base into height. I have applied the symmetry. Height will be same because these two lines are parallel. In any parallel line, height will be always same. Is it clear, Himanshu? So now see MNPA. What is MNPA? 2 plus 2, 4x. And what is NPRO? NPRO. It will be 5x. So answer will be 4:5. So where symmetry is applicable, you can go through CAT bulletin, you can find question on hexagon, octagon, draw diagonals, intersect diagonals, make equilateral triangles, and they have asked the portion, shaded portion, area of shaded portion, ratio, what will the ratio, then you can draw symmetry there. No need to prove it geometrically. Basic you should know. I think that it is clear to everyone, right? Yes or no? Is it clear, friends? Himanshu, clear? Okay. Now move to next question. This is the method given for this question. If anybody who want to see, just go through it. Now next question. Again without writing, you can go through symmetry also. Diagonal of rectangle. Divide the rectangle into two equal parts. So many you have to see this video again. In this video you can find on YouTube. We are solving each and every question. Ishan CAT bulletins you can go through. Go see it on Bullseye website. Again just see, think logically, what should be the answer? Rectangle, diagonal of rectangle, divide rectangle into two equal parts. See what he is asking. A, B, C, D in term of S and S naught will be. Mayur has come with option 3, S plus S naught by 2. Akshay second option. Shubham second option, 2 minus S minus 2 S naught by 2. Akshay, Shubham, just divide the rectangle into similar parts. See, Gaurav, just apply symmetry. Diagonal of rectangle divide into two equal parts. Write 1 1 x axis 1 1 2 2 3 3 areas, and then see what is happening. Then you can know the answer. First option Mannat, Rachana third option, Shubham second, Akshay second. Second is wrong, friends. Just see. So not a difficult one. It is easy one. Tanmay. S is the area of outside rectangle. Yeah. Outer rectangle area of S is outer rectangle. Not second option, friends. Jitesh, not fourth option. Again, now I am telling you, see, can I say if this is rectangle, Rahul, option 1, see here, Rahul. If I'll write here ARBS, if I'll take this rectangle ASBR, this is diagonal, B is the diagonal for this rectangle. If I'll take, that means this will divide the rectangle into equal part. If I'll take this area as 1 unit, again this is the 1 unit. Is it clear? Okay. Now again for this rectangle, this is diagonal. If I'll take this area as 2 unit, this will be 2 unit. You can take any unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit, anything, but both areas should be same. If this is rectangle, this is suppose 3 unit, this will be 3 unit. If this is rectangle diagonal, this is 4 unit, this is 4 unit. Can we see for this rectangle, I have not taken this part, this is shaded part, this will be equal to this will equal to this, and the what is the S? S is the area of original rectangle. That means, can I say S minus S naught, because I have not taken S naught, by 2 will be the area of ABCD. Area of ABCD, can I say area of total rectangle minus this portion by 2 plus S naught, because in this area ABCD, here S naught is not included. Here S naught is not included. So S minus S naught by 2 plus S naught. So it will be S minus S naught plus 2 S naught by 2, which will be third option, because the area of whole triangle is S. Whole rectangle is S. I have taken this 1, 1, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2. Total area 3, 4, 7, 8, 10 unit. This is 10 unit. Clear? Kushagra. Should I tell you again? Kushagra. See Kushagra here. I've taken this area because this is Kushagra. Diagonal. If this is 1, this area will be 1. For this rectangle, this is diagonal. If area of 2 unit, this will be 2 unit. If this is 3 unit, this will be 3 unit, because this is again diagonal. If this is Kushagra 4, this is 4. Can I say we have not taken this area? Area of whole rectangle, that is S, minus S naught, this is not included, by 2 will be the equal area, this and this area. He is asking about the area of ABCD. So in ABCD, S naught is included, Kushagra. So answer will be S minus S naught plus 2 S naught by 2, which will be S plus S naught by 2. So answer will be Kushagra, third option. Clear? Now next question, angle bisector theorem. Just read fast, friends. Application of angle bisector theorem. Those who are aware, angle bisector divide the base into the ratio of their sides, corresponding sides. Just draw diagram and see. Those who are aware of the angle bisector theorem, within 1-2 minutes they have to give the answer. So choices are not given, you have to write the answer. 3:4, 2:1, 4:3, 1:2. In this way you have to write the answer. Rahul has come with the answer 1:2. Okay. Rajiv 1:3. Akshay 1:3. I think that Akshay, Rahul, Sahil, sorry, Rahul, not Rahul, Rajiv, Akshay, Sahil, have you know the angle bisector theorem? Divide the base into equal part. Now we are running out of time. Now I am solving here, friends. See, PQR, PQ is 10Q in triangle PQR. Just see, PQ is given 10, QR is given 8, and PR is given 6. S is point in QR such that PS is the angle bisector. PS is the angle bisector. Angle bisector means dividing angle into equal part, and this angle bisector will divide, friends, the base in the ratio of their respective sides, 6:10. So RS will be 6 by 16 into 8. 8 will be divided in 6:10, or you can say 3:5 also. 3:5 also. Or otherwise, I am writing here whole 6 by 16 into 8. It will be 2, 3, 2, 8. It will be 3. So RS will be 3 and SQ will be 5. Is it clear to everyone? If PS is angle bisector divide the base in the ratio of their respective sides, 6:10. 6:10 means 6 by 16 into 8. Now after that, the angle bisector of PQR, intersect PS. Intersect PS, this is angle bisector. Intersect PS at W. Here it is W. That means ratio of length of SW. PS is not given, but he is asking examiner ratio of SW to WP. Can we say for this triangle PSQ, WS as WP will be divided in 10/5. This portion will be 5 and this portion will be 10 because this is 5. This portion is 5. This is 10. So answer will be WS2 WP is 5/10, which will be 1/2. So it is a basic application of angle bisector theorem. Just go through this theorem, friends. Very important theorem, and you can see in CAT bulletins there will be always after 2-3 years you can find a question of angle bisector theorem. Application: angle bisector divide the base in the ratio of their corresponding sides. In right angle triangle it is square of the sides base. Rahul, how 10/5? Because Rahul, you can see in this triangle PQS, Rahul, PQS, in this triangle PS is not given. What is PQ, Rahul? PQ is 5, and what is QP? It is 10. So this base will be divided in 5/10, like in this case. Clear, Rahul? Okay, friends, time is over now, and we have done a lot of questions in this session and in the previous session also geometry. Please, I request you that just go through CAT bulletins. You can find the bulletins on Bullseye website. It is in the form of real CAT papers, CAT 99, CAT 2000, CAT 2001 till 2008 bulletins are there, and we are trying to load previous bulletins also from 1990 to 99. And if you will do all these bulletins, you can find lot of questions of geometry. Again, application similar, 8 to 10 things are there. You can go through CAT bulletins, you can see. Only simple languages change. Exterior interior angle bisector theorem, centroid, right angle, triplets, lot of things are there. Clear, friends? Rajiv, questions are same always. You can see, and if you go through CAT last Rajiv 18 to 20 bulletins, you can see same questions. Hardly out of 40-50 questions, you can see 20-25 questions are of same kind. So just you have to apply logic. You have to see choices, Rajiv. Clear? Clear, friends? Okay, thank you friends.